Hello, children. I am back again with a new letter, a new sound, and a new letter story. Today's letter is a letter that makes the sound R, R, R. You want to make the sound, so what you can do is you have to act like you're a small dogs who's trying to pull a piece of a rag and you want to snatch it, so you say R. That's the sound of letter R. One day when it was raining, little Ronnie told his Mama, look at the weather. It's so pretty. Can you see it's raining? Can I please go out and play in the rain? Of course you can, baby. But don't forget to wear your raincoat. Otherwise you will catch cold because you will get all wet. So if you want to go out and play in the rain, don't forget to wear your raincoat. He quickly wore his raincoat and went down to play. He thought, why not I take a walk in this beautiful rain? As he was walking and enjoying and singing, he reached a river. He saw that the river was very pretty, and to go on to the other side, he had to cross the river. He crossed the river and he saw a small garden, and the garden was full of beautiful flowers. Do you know which flower that was? Oh yes, that was the beautiful rose, and they were all in red. They looked so pretty. As Ronnie was gazing at those red color roses, he saw a rabbit, and just next to the rabbit there was a rat. They both were fighting. He went close to the rat and the rabbit and he said, What happened? Why are you both fighting? They said, you know what? We want to eat a raspberry, but this little rat is not sharing with me. The rabbit was very upset. So little Ronnie said, Oh, you must both share and then eat the yummy raspberry. They both said, Okay. Now we will share and eat this yummy and delicious raspberry. When they all were playing together and they became friends, they saw a beautiful rainbow up in the sky. And just after some time, little Ronnie, again wearing his raincoat, went back home to his mama. This was the story of the letter R. Now let's see some friends of letter R who all make the sound rainbow, rag, rose, rabbit, raincoat, rocket, raspberry, red, rat, and rain. These are some friends of the letter R, and they all make the starting sound Let's see how we can write the capital R or the mama R. One standing line, then a small half curve, and then a slanting line. That's how we write the letter R. And R says and R is looking at the right. Always remember, that's about the letter R, the capital R or the mama R. Now let's look at the lowercase r or the baby r. We will first make a small standing line and then just make a small tail. So we will make a standing line and give it a small curve or a tail. And that's how we write the baby R. So easy. This is about the story of letter R, the sound of letter R, the friends of letter R, and how we write the capital and the lowercase letter r. I hope it was a good learning for you all and you enjoyed this small video too. Thank you.